Welcome back to Fish Outdoors. Today we're gonna give you a update on the boat project. I say that everything is holding up pretty good. The only major problems that I have come across where the straps go where the tie downs are, got a little bit of a dent there, and also these corners right here at the end of the boat is getting a little bit of a crunch. Another area that has been some issue is this little corner right here. This is where the truck bed hits this little corner when we were trying to load and unload the boat. It's like something poked that part and had to be something sharp hit that corner. Another thing is that this undercoating is starting to fade. I am adding more foam here. It's the front end just to keep the waves from splashing up over the bow. Now with this foam on there, I have to figure out how to put the numbers back on.